Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Olivia English Lab. It's so good to see you here again. I love mornings. The soft light, the quiet air, everything feels so new.
Yeah, mornings are great if you can wake up on time.
I know what you mean, Mike. Sometimes I hit the snooze button 3 times.
Same here. But still, mornings are perfect for a fresh start, right?
Exactly. And today we'll talk all about that, your morning routine. In English, simple, real life English you can use every day.
Yeah, this is going to be fun and easy too.
So grab your coffee, take a deep breath, and relax. You're about to learn how to talk about your morning naturally in English.
All right, let's go.
Yes, let's start with the first part of the day, waking up, sun. Mike, how do you usually wake up in the morning?
Well, honestly, my alarm rings, I open one eye, and I say, no, 5 more minutes.
Oh, come on, Mike. You sound just like me. I always tell myself just 2 more minutes, but those 2 minutes become 10.
Exactly. It's a classic morning story. But when I finally wake up, I stretch my arms and say, okay, new day, new energy.
That's a great attitude. Let's practice some simple sentences together, okay? I wake up. I open my eyes. I stretch my arms. I get out of bed.
Nice. And you can also say, I smile when I wake up. That one's my favorite. It feels positive, right?
I love that. Let's make it a little morning mantra. I wake up, I smile, and I'm ready for a new day.
Beautiful. Try saying it with us, everyone. Go on. I wake up, I smile, and I'm ready for a new day.
Perfect! That's the best way to start your daily routine in English, with good vibes and a big smile. Okay, so after waking up, what's next, Mike? What do you do first?
I usually make my bed. Yeah. It makes me feel ready for the day.
That's so good. I do the same thing. When I make my bed, my room looks clean and peaceful. It's like my mind feels calm, too.
Exactly. You can say, I make my bed. Easy, right? Let's try it together. I make my bed.
Nice. Then I open the window and let the sunlight in. Fresh air, bright light, it helps me wake up faster.
Yes, but sometimes the sunlight is too bright, and I'm like, my eyes.
That's true. Okay, let's review. Jared, I make my bed. Jared, I open the window. Jared, I let the sunlight in.
Great. Simple, clean, and positive sentences. That's how you start your daily routines in English with small, happy actions.
All right, now it's time to wash up. After making my bed, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and comb my hair.
Nice and fresh. I do the same. But first, I look in the mirror and say, good morning, handsome.
Oh, Mike, that's funny and a great way to start with confidence. You can say, I look in the mirror and smile.
Exactly. It helps you feel good about yourself. Let's practice a few easy sentences, okay? I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
Perfect. I love a warm shower in the morning. The water feels soft and I feel awake and ready.
Yes. And sometimes I listen to music while I shower. It makes my morning fun, like a mini concert.
I can imagine that. All right, one more line for everyone. I get dressed after my shower.
That's it. Simple actions, simple English, but they help you talk about your daily routine clearly and confidently.
Exactly. And don't forget, confidence starts with small habits and a happy mind.
Now, let's move to breakfast time. Mike, are you a breakfast person?
Oh, yeah, totally. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. But sometimes I'm lazy and just grab a banana.
Ha ha ha. That's okay. I love a simple breakfast too. A slice of toast, some fruit, and a cup of coffee. Mmm, that smell in the morning.
Ah, yes. Fresh coffee? That's pure motivation to wake up.
Exactly. So let's practice a few easy sentences together. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I have toast and fruit.
Nice and simple. You can also say, I make breakfast for my family. Or, I cook eggs in the morning.
That's right. When you talk about your daily routine in English, you can describe even small moments like this. It makes your English sound natural and real.
Exactly. It's like telling a mini story about your day. And honestly, food stories are always the best stories.
True. And if you don't eat breakfast, you can say, I only drink coffee in the morning. That's me sometimes.
Same here. Okay, everyone, repeat after us one more time. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I feel ready for the day.
Perfect! That's a bright and happy way to continue your daily routines in English. Let's keep the energy going. Okay, now it's time to get ready for the day. Mike, are you fast in the morning, or do you take forever to get dressed?
Well, it depends. Sometimes I'm quick. Shirt, jeans, done. But sometimes I stare at my closet for 10 minutes like, what should I wear today?
Haha. Oh, I totally understand. For me, it's always the same. Comfortable clothes first, coffee second.
Nice routine. You can say, I get dressed. I check my bag. I take my phone and keys.
Exactly. And if you want to sound more natural, you can add a feeling. I get dressed and feel ready to go. I listen to music while getting ready.
Ah, yes, music. That's my secret weapon every morning. Instant study motivation.
I love that. See, getting ready is not just about clothes. It's about your mood, your energy, your confidence.
Well said. So now you're dressed, happy, and ready to start your day. Let's move on.
Perfect. Next stop, going to work or school.
All right. I've got my clothes on, my bag ready, my phone in my hand. Time to go. Olivia, do you go out early in the morning?
Yes, I usually leave home around 7:30. The air is fresh, the sky is soft, and everything feels calm. It's my favorite moment of the day.
Ah, that sounds peaceful. For me, it's more like running to catch the bus.
Oh no, everyone knows that morning rush. Okay, let's practice a few sentences. I leave home at 7:30. I go to work by bus. I walk to school.
Nice. And if you work from home, you can say, I start work in my room. I turn on my computer. I check my emails.
Exactly. Those are great for daily English conversations. They help you sound natural when someone asks, tell me about your day, or what's your morning routine?
Right. Just describe what you really do. Simple, honest, real-life English.
Perfect. Now you're dressed, ready, and on your way. Let's take a short break and then listen to a little morning story. All right, friends, now let's slow down a little. I want to tell you a short morning story in English.
Ooh, story time. I love this part. Everyone, just listen carefully and imagine the pictures in your mind.
Okay, here we go. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30. The sun is soft, the room is quiet. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. Then I smile. A new day begins. I make my bed and open the window. The air feels fresh and cool. Birds are singing outside. I walk to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth. When I look in the mirror, I say, "Good morning, Olivia." Then I go to the kitchen and make coffee. The smell of coffee fills the room. I eat breakfast, toast, and fruit. At 7:30, I leave home and start my day.
Ah, that was beautiful. Simple, peaceful, and easy to understand.
Thank you, Mike. Now, everyone, it's your turn. Try to shadow me. Repeat each line slowly. Don't worry about being perfect. Just enjoy speaking.
Yeah, feel the rhythm, the calm energy. That's how you improve your English. Practice every day.
Exactly. Learning English can be soft, peaceful, and full of joy, just like a calm morning.
All right, that story was awesome. Now it's your turn, my friend.
Yes, think about your own morning. What time do you wake up? What do you do first? You can describe your daily routine in English. Just 5 simple sentences.
Here's an easy pattern to follow. I wake up at, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast, I go to work or school, I start my day.
Perfect. You can pause this video and say it out loud. When you speak, imagine you're telling a short English story about your life.
Yeah, and if you want to practice more, share your 5 sentences in the comments below. We'll read them.
Exactly. Real practice, real progress. You're not just learning words, you're building confidence to talk about your day in English.
Yeah, and the best part is no homework. Just talk, smile, and sound awesome in English.
And that's it for today's lesson, your beautiful morning routine in English. You did such a great job learning, listening, and speaking with us.
Yeah, you learned how to wake up, get ready, eat breakfast, and start your day all in simple, natural English. That's awesome.
Exactly. Remember, these small daily habits help you speak English confidently, one sentence at a time. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and be proud of your progress.
And don't forget, tell us in the comments, what's your morning routine? We'd love to hear your story.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Olivia English Lab, and share it with your friends. It really helps our little learning community grow.
Yeah, we're building a space where English feels calm, friendly, and fun.
Beautifully said, Mike. Thank you all for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode, Evening Routine in English. Bye for now, and have a wonderful morning.